Imagine opening your mailbox and seeing a $15,000 condo bill that you never budgeted for. That is a special assessment, and for many Wisconsin homeowners, it is one of the most stressful financial surprises in condo ownership. Let's break down special assessments in plain English. In Wisconsin, your regular HOA or condo dues cover routine expenses like landscaping, insurance, and basic maintenance. A special assessment is entirely different. It is a one-time extra bill used for massive costs when the association needs money fast. These sudden bills usually pop up to cover major projects like a complete roof replacement, structural repairs, pavement work, or insurance shortfalls. Ultimately, a massive special assessment is often a glaring sign that the association has weak reserves and simply hasn't saved enough over time to cover major repairs. If you receive one of these notices, do not panic, but definitely do not ignore it. First, read exactly what the assessment is for. Second, review the annual budget, the statutory reserve study, and the board minutes. Wisconsin law recognizes assessments against units, so the condo documents matter a lot in seeing how the fee was approved. Now, if the fee is more than you can handle, contact the board or property management immediately. Ask whether there is a payment plan or an installment option available. Because these assessments are legally binding, letting the bill sit unpaid is the absolute worst thing you can do. Under Wisconsin law, unpaid assessments can accrue high interest, lead to severe late fees, and ultimately allow the association to place a legal lien against your condo, which can even result in foreclosure. Understanding this early can help you protect your finances. So, if your condo board suddenly asks for $15,000, you need to know your options. If paying the assessment isn't feasible and you want a clean exit from the association entirely, Fair Deal Home Buyers can help. We buy Wisconsin condos and homes completely as is, and we can take on the burden of those special assessments so you don't have to. Skip the special assessment. Sell as is. Call 4144-098251 or visit fairdealhomebuyers.com.